But I think in reality, it's the most important topic in trading, position size, effectively, which is scaling up. Because it's at the end of the day, it's not really what you make; it's what you lose that kills you. So I don't think people take it seriously enough. The whole idea of position sizing, and scaling up, and doing it in a method, in an organized fashion. I also think as well, a lot of people put pressure on themselves to scale up. Because I'm a big fan of being slow. I think scaling up. I think build skill. Skill is everything. Position, because money comes after skill. So you can spend 10 years building up your skills, but then that's when that starts to pay off for you, and you will know yourself when it's time to increase your position size. Because what's going to happen is you're going to get to a size where your position, like the perfect position size, is a position size that is big enough that you care about it, but not big enough that it should affect you. How you trade. It shouldn't affect you emotionally. And I think that should be done incrementally, and it should be done at as slow a pace as is possible for you to do it, because it creates, every time you change your position size, it creates emotion. Whether you put your position size up or you put your position size down, it creates emotion in you. It creates, and that emotion, the primary emotion in trading, I think, is fear. And fear is pervasive, and everybody suffers from fear at some level. I think every trader has been in a position where they went in too big, or the position grew too big for them. What ended up happening to them is that it went down. They ended up being like deer in the headlights, and they weren't able to get out, because they weren't able to take the pain of what they had lost, because the position size was too big. And then consequently, then some cases they got lucky and price went back up for them and they got out. But in most cases, price continues to go down and they just really hurt themselves. So position size is a trap, can be a trap for yourself. It's an amplifier of all your mistakes. There's no reason to be in this game if you're not aiming over time to increase your position size. But it's increasing everything. It amplifies the danger. It amplifies your emotions. It amplifies your wins. It amplifies your losses. It's a huge topic, though. Yeah, it's something you really, that it doesn't get the. I don't think it gets the. I don't think it gets the attention that it deserves. People sit there and they look at charts, but they never look at position size, I think.